Hey guys, today we're gonna be trying to make slime with eye drops and lotion. I got this from one of my favorite YouTubers. I watch her channel every day. Her name is Alex Play, and if you like her channel, go ahead and subscribe to her channel because she is the best YouTuber I ever. I subscriber to her stress. I didn't even get to watch the video. I just subscribe. Stop there. Here's Bongo. Okay.
All of it.
Mommy's
gonna use that.
She needed
Don't.
I'm throwing it away now.
I just need to see if this works or not. She said I don't. Not making. Maybe we need to buy that eye drop.
Stop being the
No, that's where I was at. Stop, John. No. Stop. Oh, I wasn't there using her Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi good Wi-Fi.
Her bed. I'm not.
Sit on the floor. That's fine. No, I'm not giving up. It is not gonna waste my lotion and Mommy's eye drops for nothing. We're gonna make this slime. See? Not fun. Okay, that's it. Slime fail. It's not working. Slime fail. No. No. I'm not gonna waste Mommy's eye drops for nothing. We're gonna make slime. Okay. You're right. This is right. So we'll expect. He's good with that. It's not working. I need like a ribbon or something. Well, I don't have a ribbon on there, so I'm gonna make her later. We were going to mix it up. We just gonna put my mix in there.
All three of the harmful foods I'm going to show you right now are labeled and marketed as health foods. When I reveal them to you,
It was a surprise.
I'm also going to reveal to you
We're gonna make that work. We're gonna make that work. I'm gonna put this channel to be a slime thing if you can't miss that. This channel will not stand long with no slime fail. My son if it doesn't work, try and try. I'm just sitting on top of the refrigerator, which is what I found where I could sit. Well, there will be a part 2 and we'll see. Fail. Bye bye.